Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple turnovers. This is a perfect warm sweet recipe to make for any occasion. So let's get started. So first we're going to prepare the apple filling. So in a saucepan, add in some butter, then add in the peeled and sliced apples. I'm using one of each, one Granny Smith and one fresh red apple. Mix it well until you see a little water oozing out of the apple. Once you get that, add in the cinnamon sugar mixture. So guys, I have written out the full ingredients on YouTube in the description box just for you, so make sure you check that out for the full written recipe. After adding the cinnamon sugar, stir for about 2 minutes and turn off the heat. You don't want to mash the apples completely, make sure you leave some chunks in there as well. For the pastry, I left mine out of the freezer for 30 minutes to thaw at room temperature. I have cut mine into rectangles. You can cut it however shape you would like. I'm just going to stretch it out with my hands in all the sides until it's slightly thin and manageable. Once the apple filling is cooled down to room temperature, add it right into the middle. Then I'm going to brush the sides with egg wash. Basically it's just egg with a tablespoon or so of water mixed together. Then fold it up really well. I'm also using a fork to help it seal better. It's also going to give that cool looking pattern on the edges. Once that's done, place them in a pan lined with some parchment paper. Then apply some egg wash on the top of the pastry. This will give that shiny golden crust on the top. I'm also adding in small slits with a knife. It's going to help the vapor to escape as it bakes, so it will prevent you from having a soggy pastry. As well as some sugar on the top for some extra sweetness. Then bake it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Once it's done baking, make sure you let it sit for 10 minutes before you dig in. This is a really warm, crisp, and sweet breakfast idea, or pair it up with ice cream on the side for a dessert. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit that like button below so I know that you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet to see more videos. Until next time guys, bye bye.